In this section, we are going to be discussing on operators. So working on arithmetic operators, assignment operator, and lastly, we're going to be doing string operators. So we're going to be working on the story operators in this course of this section. So firstly, let's move down to our script. Open a new file. Let's give it operators.js. Okay, we have a new JavaScript file open here. Oh, what's going on with my code editor? Okay, now let's declare two variables. So I'm going to be using the let keyword. So I have let x equal 10 and put a semicolon at the end of the expression. So I have let y equals 15. Okay, now I have two declared variables. I have the let equal 10 and I have the y equal 15. Okay, now I have, let's now work on the different operators that we have in using the arithmetic operator. So I'm going to use console.log. So I have x plus y. So first of all, we're going to be using the addition operator. So this is going to be adding the x declared variable and the y declared variable. Next, we have console.log x subtract y. Okay, so we have the subtraction. Also, we have console.log. Just doing this so we can see the flow of this. We have the multiplication. Multiply the two operands. Next we have division. So we use the / to achieve that. Now next we have what we call the exponentiation. We have what we call exponentiation. What do we mean by that? So how do we even represent that? We have two asterisk right here. So exponentiation operator raises the first operand to the power of the second operand. So what we have here is 10. We give it to the power of 15. Just like what we have we will do in secondary school, 2 raised to the power 5, 10 raised to the power 2. So right here we have 10 raised to the power 15. Okay. Next we have the modulus. So modulus, we use the percentage. Now what do we use the modulus to achieve? The remainder. So after a division, okay, so there will be a remainder. So the remainder is what will be assigned to the modulus. Okay, so that's the remainder of the division. That's what we use the modulus to achieve. Next we have the increments and the decrements. So we have x plus plus. Okay, so that's for increments. So we have the x increasing the x by 1. So we have x to be 10, so we want it to be 11, so that's increments, the operator. We have the x plus plus. What it does here is to increase the x by 1. Then decrements still do the same, but decreasing. Let's use y. Sorry, let's use y. We've used x, so let's make use of y. Decreasing y by 1. Okay, so these are the operators that we have in JavaScript. We have using the arithmetic operators. These are the arithmetic operators that we use. We're going to be working on. So we have the plus, we have the minus, we have the multiplication, we have the division, we have the exponentiation, we have the modulus, we have the increment, and we have the decrement. So I'm going to be getting the result of this, but firstly let's go to our index page and link this this file, JS file. Let's link it to this particular HTML document. So let's go to our console. So if you're using a Windows operating system, just click on F12. It takes you directly to the console. So let's reload that. Okay, right here we have the results of our operators right here. So we have the addition, subtraction, we have the multiplication, we have the let's see what we have there. Okay, we have the division. Okay, better still, sorry for that. We have the division, which is 0.666. Then also we have the exponentiation. We have 10 raised to power 15. That's why it's giving us that value. We have the modulus, the remainder. So the division of this 10 by 15. Will that give us a remainder? How many times can we have 10 in 15? Obviously that will not give us the right stuff. Okay, let's move on to increment and decrements. We still have 10 and 15. Let's just do something really quick. So just change this and put it here, and let's change this and put this. Yep. So this should give us the required year. So we have this increased by 1, so 10. X was formerly 10, and now we have it to be 11, and Y was formerly 15, and right now we have it to be 14. So that is it about the operators, arithmetic operators. So we've seen the result of what we have here, and I talked about the assignment operator. So this right here is the assignment operator, assigning two values, assigning this value 15, sorry for the not two values, assigning the value 15 to the variable y. So this is assignment operator. Nothing much to talk about the assignment operator. Okay, anywhere you see this equal sign here, you should know that it's the assignment operator. Alright, now lastly we're going to work on the string operator, which is the concatenate. So I'm going to use two variables. So I have text1 equals to, that's a string, so hello, are you having a nice day? Oh, sorry about that. Yep, with a semicolon at the end. So let's text 2 equals to, yep, yeah, I am having a nice day. Yep. So next we have the console.log. So how do we concatenate these two operands using the string operator? We have text1. Now we use the plus operator to concatenate. Now when you are concatenating, you can only concatenate a string. Okay, a string is a text surrounded with a quote. Okay, so the moment you have a text, a written word enclosed in a quote, single or double quote, that makes it a string. So having these two strings now give us the access to use the plus operator to bring the two of them together. So when we say concatenate, we are trying to bring two different strings together. So that's what we are actually doing, concatenating the variable text1 to the variable text2, that is bringing them together. Okay, and we use the plus operator. Okay, and this can only be done when there is a string. Okay, there's a sequence of character enclosed. You have a sequence of character enclosed in a quote. Okay, so that's it about the string. So let's get a result of this. Let's see what this gives us. Yep, let me quiz this. Okay, so we say hello, are you having a nice day? Yes, I am having a nice day. So that's it about the string operator. Quite very easy, very simple to achieve, and that's it concerning the string operator. So we've worked on the arithmetic operator, we've done the assignment operator, and lastly we just concluded the string operator. All right, so thank you for this session. I'm sure you have the gaps of what we did in this section. In our next session, we're going to be working on the comparison, logical, and type of operator. Thank you, and we will be back.